So guys, there has been a lot of discussions about the quality of the footage or photos that can be taken with the DJI Air 2S compared to the Mavic 2 Pro. So let's play a little game. I will now show you two photos taken with each drone the same day around exactly the same time. I will label them A and B, and then you can put your best guess which of these two photos were taken by the DJI Air 2S in the comment below. I will post the answer a little bit later so you can see if you were right. Are you game? Then here we go. This is the picture A. This is the picture B. Let me know which one you think originates from the DJI Air 2S. Are you all excited about the Air 2S like I am? Then I've compiled a playlist with all the videos that I've made about this fantastic drone so far, and you can access this video through this card. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.